Circular linked list. What are circular linked lists and how are they different from a normal linked list? Let us say you have a linked list like this. These are the nodes of your linked list. There will be a head pointer which is pointing to your first node. Your first node will point to the second node will point to the third node, and so on. So this is your normal linked list structure. How does it become a circular linked list? If you want to make it a circular linked list, just make one change. Make your last node point back to the first node. If this happens, then it is a circular linked list. Okay, so circular linked list is very similar to a linked list, but the last node will point back to the first node. This is the only difference. So it can be singly or doubly linked. A circular linked list can be singly linked or doubly linked. So here it is a singly linked circular list. If you want to make it doubly linked, just add a pointer which points from each node back to the previous node. So let us say you have a pointer like this from this node, this from this node, then and again from here also you have to point back to the previous node. If this happens, then it is a doubly linked circular list. So let us only see for singly linked circular list for now. It's easier to understand. So first thing is keep in mind that use a circular linked list only if it is required, only if there is a particular requirement to use a circular linked list. Generally, I'll tell you one thing. Generally, in any of your algorithms, if you are implementing or if you get a general data structure problem, mostly your normal linked list will suffice for all the purposes. There will be very certain corner case applications where you may need doubly linked list, and there may be some certain applications where you may need circular linked list. Otherwise, in general, in all the cases, normal linked list would do the work. So it is important that you understand where to use doubly linked list, where to use circular linked list. So we already went through normal linked list. We already went through the lectures of doubly linked list. Here we are clarifying what is the use of circular linked list, where to use it, and then we'll see what are the operations of circular linked list and how to deal with those. Okay. So coming to this, first thing you have to understand is which are the scenarios where circular linked list is useful. So from the structure itself, you can understand this, that it is useful whenever you need to operate in cyclic manner. If you want to start from somewhere, visit certain nodes, come back to the same place, again visit certain nodes. Like this, if you want to in a cyclic manner operate through this, that is where circular linked list is required. Just think back about whatever you learned in computer science. Do you find any application where you will need to do this? One is in operating systems, if you remember, there was round robin scheduling. In round robin scheduling, what happens? You'll execute, let us say, process P1 for some time. Then you will move on to process P2. You'll execute it for some time. Then you will move to process P3, execute it for some time. Move on to P4, execute it for some time. Then you'll come back to P1. Again, you will execute P1 for some time. Then P2, P3, P4, so on. So these sort of applications are where you will need a circular linked list. Similarly, if you want to implement, let's say, buffering, you may need a circular linked list. But keep in mind that whenever you use a circular linked list, it comes with certain disadvantages, because of which you should use only if it is a particular circular linked list specific application. So one disadvantage is that it is complex in order to implement, because you have to make sure that the circular structure is always maintained. So this makes your implementation comparatively complex if you compare with normal linked list. And the second thing is the potential for infinite loops, because there is a pointer pointing from the last pointer back to the last node back to the first node. There is a chance that you may fall in infinite loop if you keep traversing through it. So these are the two disadvantages of a circular linked list. So as we discussed, used circular linked list only if it is an application where you have to particularly use circular linked list. In the next few lectures, we'll see what are the operations you can do on circular linked list and how to implement those. Okay.